NTNICE Environmental Products Company Limited, founded in 1999 and headquartered in Nantong, Jiangsu, is a high-tech enterprise that specializes in spill control products. Our main products include absorbent pads, spill kits, containment booms, spill pallets, and more, widely used in environmental protection and industrial safety sectors. With nearly 30 years of development, we have established ourselves as a leading company in the industry, consistently providing high-quality products and professional spill control solutions to customers worldwide. Our absorbent products are divided into 3 categories, which are used in different industries: oil, chemical, and universal. The products have high absorbency and fast absorbance speed. They are necessary spill control supplies that are widely used in manufacturing, marine, oil, gas, and safety industries. Our modern production facility spans over 6,500 square meters and is equipped with advanced production lines. We strictly adhere to international quality management system standards such as ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001, ensuring that every stage of production meets the standards. Thanks to our exceptional product quality and strong market reputation, NTNICE has gained the trust of customers both domestically and internationally. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We hope to get the care and support from you all the time. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits.